If you want to connect your POCO M8 Pro to your PC in order to transfer data, what you need to do is you need to use a USB cable. This is simply the best way to do so. A USB cable can be used in order to connect your phone to your computer. And if you do so, at first you will see that you are charging your phone. This is of course natural because usually computers can charge devices with a USB port. But we're gonna go to notifications, and then you need to find the charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification to open this panel, and you want to choose File Transfer / Android Auto. Once you connect and once you switch in the menu, you should be able to open your computer and you should be able to find your POCO M8 Pro. And over here we have the internal storage, of course, with all these folders. And in these folders you should be able to find everything that you have on your phone. Now in my case I don't have that much. Maybe I can find something in the download. There we go. And of course we can transfer these files easily to the computer or something from the computer to our phone. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.